Good morning students. In previous class we have completed estimating products. Now in this class I will explain mixed bag problems. Look here, choose the correct answer. This is textbook page number 122. A question, 24 into 36 into 14 is equal to 24 into 14 into 36. 36 into 14 into 24. 24 into 36 into 14 means numbers 3 or more numbers can be multiplied in any order, their answer will be same. So these all are correct. So all of this is the answer. Okay, fill in the blanks. Look here, into 0 equal to 0. This is 0 property. When we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0. So here we can write any number. 12 also we can write, 245 also we can write, 34,567 also we can write. So all of these are correct. Okay, 34 into 20,000 is equal to, look here, 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros we have to keep. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6,80,000. So this is the answer, 6,80,000. A 2-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number gives. When we multiply any 2-digit number with 2-digit numbers, then we'll get 3 or 4-digit number. Okay. The second, third and fourth bit I have given as homework already. Now I will explain fifth bit. Okay. Applying money to everyday life. Yes. This, what is this? This is rupee symbol. Okay. Look here children, if 1 kg of sweets cost 240 rupees 75 paise, find the cost of 5 kg of sweets. This is the cost of 1 kg sweets. We have to find cost of 5 kg sweets. Look here, a solution. First, cost of sweets, 1 kg sweets. How much? 240 rupees 75 paise. Now cost of 5 kg sweets. So cost of 5 kg sweets. We'll write here 240.75 into 5 kgs. Okay. We'll do here 240.575 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Same how we do for remaining multiplications, like that only we'll do here, but after 2 digits we have to keep point. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry 5 here, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2 36, 37. So we'll write here 7 and 3 taken as carry. 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 4s are 20, 0 here, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. After 2 digits, we have to keep point. So we got rupee symbol, we'll keep here. These are rupees and these are paise. So we'll write first rupee symbol, 1203 rupees 75 paise. This is A answer. Now look at B question. The cost of a chart is 25 rupees 75 paise. The class 4th teacher bought 15 charts to put up in class. What was the total cost of the charts? If the teacher paid 500 rupees, how much change did she get back? In this question, there are two questions are there. We have to find total cost of the charts, and after finding total cost of the charts, we have to subtract that amount from this 500. Okay. First, B solution, cost of a chart. How much? 25 rupees 75 paise. Okay. Now, how many charts she bought? Class teacher, 15. So, cost of 15 charts. Simply we'll multiply this amount with 15. Okay, I will do here 25.75 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 here, 2 taken as carry. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now when we are multiplying with tens place, we will keep here into. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. Now add this total. Okay, we will get 5 plus 0 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 1 carry. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 6 1 carry. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 1 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. After 2 digits we have to keep here point. Therefore we got 386.25. Okay, 25 paise. Okay, this is total cost of 15 charts. Now amount paid by teacher. How much she paid? Yes, 500. Okay, now how much change did she get back? Change, we'll subtract 500 minus 386.25. okay, now I will do this here. 500, these are rupees, so paise not given, so we'll keep here zeros. Okay, 386.25 subtract. Okay, look here children, zeros are there, so we'll take borrow. When we are taking borrow from here, we'll get here 10, but we will share here, so it will be 9. Here also 9, here also 9, here 10. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. We'll keep point as it is. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 4 minus 3 also 1. Therefore, change. Teacher will get 113 rupees 75 paise change. Okay. This is B answer. B answer. Okay. Now look at C question. Nargis likes to eat a banana every day. Okay, if one banana costs rupees 75 paise, how much does she spend on bananas in the month of April? Look, if one banana costs 75 paise, how much does she spend on bananas in the month of April? First we will write number of days in April. How many days? 30. Okay, January, February, March, April. April will be 30 days. Okay, now cost of one banana. One banana cost 75 paise. Okay, now we'll multiply these two. Then we'll get total amount. Total amount she spent for bananas in the month of April. 0.75 into 30. I will do here into 30. When we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0 only. So 0, 0. Now we will multiplying with tens place, so we will keep here into 3 5s are 15. 5 1 carry, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 22. So 0 5 2 2. After 2 digits point is there, so we'll keep after 2 digits point. So we'll get answer here 22 rupees 50 paise. Okay, 22 rupees 50 paise. These are applying money to everyday life. Okay, complete these 3 problems in your fair notes. Okay, and practice well for exam. Okay, thank you.